Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, and good morning, Auranin.
Hello.
Today we're going to an Itaru summer concert. I know someone, and they invited us to go. I will say, because I know there's some crazy Luna stands out there. I'm not familiar with Luna.
Honey?
I was obsessed with Eve's song though a while ago when it first came out. The 뭐지? 그거. And also I really liked their final, like their debut song. Do you see?
No.
Like half the lights fell off. I was in the middle of like a heated like round of Resident Evil 2 and like they literally just fell. I could hear the sticker like coming off the wall. I was like half trying to like kill zombies, but like I could hear it, so I was just like no! like use my one hand just like as I'm like shooting with like my other hand, but it just fell. I'm moving soon anyway, so I'm like I half want to just like leave it like this. They're like on the floor over there, but I'm also filming some videos before I move. So I'm just not thriving. My manager introduced me to she said she was gonna buy this sunscreen, but it was like her next one before she actually used up her current one. The Cell Fusion Secure Sunscreen 100. This is probably, I know there's a lot of sunscreens these days that are like, oh, it's so watery. They're like moisturizers, but this is literally thinner than even a gel moisturizer. It's like water. I know I say that about a lot of sunscreens lately, but this is even thinner. This is probably the thinnest sunscreen I've ever used. And apparently it's good for like sensitive raw skin. So that's why I picked it up, because like it's gotten a lot better, but I'm just trying to stay away from peeling products. She's on a purge. She's starved. I wasn't really a big fan, and I've said this many times, I'm not really a big fan of like those pore primers. I used to be so into them, but they just like kind of like dry on my skin. But this one from 3CE, the Pore Velvet Primer, I don't think I've ever had a primer like this. It's really creamy, and it's almost like 촉촉해, like moisturizing even, I would say, but it still really fills in pores. I don't know how, almost. Oh, 감사합니다. So what I get is I don't get like that kind of like dry, flaky look. I mean, it's like, when you use other pore primers, you have like really smooth skin, but the foundation gets like kind of like weird if you have dry skin wherever you put the primer. So this is probably my favorite pore primer that I've tested as of late. It actually makes me want to use primers again. Matte primer, oh my god. Foundation, just like this much. I went to Too Faced with Joan back in California like last summer, and I met this really nice girl at the Too Faced building. Like she gave us a tour, and one of the girls was like, the girl that was showing us around, she was like, you should try that Marc Jacobs foundation brush, because I can finish my foundation in like 3 seconds. So it's really expensive. It's just like a big kabuki brush. I like to use this a lot when I'm doing other people's makeup. Like if I have to do a lot of people's makeup at once, like I finish foundation a lot quicker. Actually, I'm gonna try doing this.
난리 났어. 씨.
미친 거야.
털봐 털.
비켜봐 이 흉측에 털봐 털.
어우 들어와. 가민. 아우 아파. 오늘 약간 콘서트 복장이니? 프리하구나.
Hello, Jimmy.
헬지.
아 영상 찍는 거였어?
네, 인사해 주세요. 어머.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
브이로그는
Music
아니고
one?
그냥 그런 거.
So ITZY just debuted. I don't think I've ever liked a debut song this much. Me and all my friends 다 우리 다 난 맘을 달아 내 맘대로 살 거야 말리지 마.
난 특별하니까야.
Oh my fucking god.
제발. Me and Eddie went to M Countdown and saw their debut stage. We were able to get to the front. They were standing near like the entrance area, like the standby area for where they go before they get on stage. And when ITZY was standing there, we were just like, oh my god, yeah! On the side. We want to like stare at them because they were so fucking pretty in person, but also we don't want to like, because I feel like staring is kind of rude in general. I know what to do with myself. 내 맘대로 살 거야 말리지 마. 난 특별하니까. Yeah. Blush. Sweet enough. MAC. Dear Dahlia, their new blooming bomb in fantasy.
내 콘서트로 갔대.
헐. 이달의 소녀 콘서트에 몬스터 X 굿즈 입고 가. 잘했어.
찍고 있어.
오랜만이야, 아우라씨.
나보다 너도 오랜만이야. 그지?
맞아.
나 여기 이거 놨어야 돼.
이거 괜찮아, 커버해줄게.
나 여기 넣어놨어요. 여러분. 여기 넣어놨어요.
헐. 어떤 컨셉으로 할까요 오늘?
오늘은 잘 나가는 20대 오빠 느낌으로 프리스타일로.
프리스타일로? 오케이.
오늘 나 많이 바뀔 것 같아?
Maybe.
체인지?
노력해볼게요. 노력해보겠습니다요.
노력해줘.
당신을 사랑합니다.
사랑하여.
근데 나 옛날에 그렇게 했어.
뭘?
남자한테 연락해봤을 때
헐.
안녕.
안녕.
근데 나 이달에서는 노래 하나도 몰라.
괜찮아.
즐길 수 있을까?
Yes. 노래 좋아.
근데 대부분 한국 콘서트는 신나는 노래 나와도 앉아서 봐 사람들이.
맞아.
이렇게 가만히 봐.
약간 퍼포먼스를 enjoy 해야 돼서.
그렇긴 해. 하지만 으아 뭐 이러고 싶은데 응원을 하잖아. 알아? 응원? Do you know 응원? 사랑해요 나나나 이거.
헐. So I've got secret product in the making. I'm an entrepreneur, y'all.
Shut the fuck up.
My life. 내 맘대로 살 거야.
말리지
마.
난 특별하니까. 연습실에서 있지 거 연습하면 좋을 것 같아. 나 엑소 배울 때 너 옆에서 있지 연습해라.
같이 할까?
응, 같이 해.
같이 하자.
나도. 나 코러스만 하고 싶어.
혼자 하긴 자신이 없고.
너가 하다가 코러스에 나랑 에디가 들어가는 거야. 코러스만.
머리 진짜 이상해. 그 샤프 쓰지 마.
말리지 마.
마음대로 해. 마음대로 살 거야.
특별하니까. 야.
We're here. I have to go meet the manager so we can pick up our tickets and rock out. Okay. 어머. 헐.
아 이거 주려고.
Ooh, girl, they're gonna fucking perform it. From the cold or because you see Luna?
Because there's Luna.
This is always goods, but she's sold out. We're supposed to meet the manager, but they haven't come out yet. And they're like, oh, well, the concert's starting soon, so we're fucked.
12 seconds later.
We're in, bitches.
코미디기 난 그런 난 하루에 한두 번 세상에 없던 이기적
울지 마요. 울면 혼날 거예요. 울면은 딴 사람
And even though I'm not that familiar with Luna, we had a bitch in time and now everyone in the house listens to Luna Woot.
Well, it was a success. I wasn't really familiar with their discography. However, the songs I did know were A+, and then their new song, Butterfly. Thanks!
I said wings but it sounded like I said wigs, but same thing because that was me watching them perform Butterfly.
유성 타이틀이 버터플라이야?
Oh.
좋아 버터플라이죠.
During the concert, there was like two members that were kind of on the side. Apparently, the magne during Favorite, because it's really dark, she couldn't see when she's going to her place, and so she like accidentally ran over Eve's face, and so Eve had like a broken nose basically, but she had full beat face. So, but she still had to like stand out. So that was wild. But I felt bad because they were like crying because we're trying, but they were practicing so hard. But you know, for a few months, but then they couldn't perform because of that. I was trying to introduce a new place to eat in some of my vlogs. But this I used to live in this neighborhood, so I found this place when I was living here. But I mean, it's just tteokbokki, but it's like there's special tteokbokki. It's like this. It's a matchip. So she doesn't fuck around.
지금 나는 따르고 있습니다. 에드워드가 옛날에 3년 전에 에드워드가 여기 데려왔어요.
Mimi's boyfriend got me. 그거 말해도 돼? Mimi's boyfriend got me a cute letter for my birthday. 에드워드 아빌라. 와, 귀엽다.
와.
Okay, let's test my Korean skills. Dear. 그거만 영어. Dear. 에드워드 아빌라. 안녕하세요. 에디 형. 내가 형이야? 저 한세예요. Happy birthday, brother. 알게 된 지 얼마 되진 않았지만 항상 미미 누나 덕분에 알게 되었지만 어른도 많이 친해졌으면 좋겠어요. 미미 누나 빼고 둘이 만날 만큼 생일 정말 축하해요. 이번엔 미미 누나랑 같이 생각하면 Thanks, Hans.